How to create and send a document using a trusted CA. Log into your SigningCloud mobile app. Click on the pen and paper icon in blue, at the bottom of the homepage, also known as the Create Document button. Select the option, Sign with Trusted CA ID, when prompted to choose your document type. Tap on Plus button to upload the document you wish to sign, and continue to the next step. Select the signers that are required to sign the documents by tapping on Add Recipients. Then, choose the CA provider of your choice. You may opt for a different CA for each signer if you wish. If you intend for a recipient to only receive a copy of the document, simply add them in under the Received Copy section. Once you've completed this part, proceed to the next step. Tap on Plus at the bottom right to select the actions required for the signers. Select the necessary actions that are required in the document and place them in the document accordingly. Simply tap and hold the action to move and resize. Tap on More to switch between different signers to assign action. Highlighted actions indicate that you have switched to another signer. Check that all actions have been assigned accordingly, and press the Save button situated on the top right of your screen to proceed. Finally, review the document by ensuring you've filled up the correct details for the recipient of this document. You may also change the document name and add a message here if you wish to. When you're done, simply press Send. The document status will be displayed as Pending Send, if you have insufficient DSA credits. The purchase of DSA credits can only be completed by the admin of the account using the web portal version.
SigningCloud. Sign with confidence.